Beautiful.
Okay. We'll make the water disappear now.
What water?
This water. With the broom handle, please. Make it disappear. Hold the broom handle, please. Push the broom handle up underneath it, please. Hold that there. There you got it. Awesome.
No, it's not how this trick works.
You're a bastard.
It's an awesome trick.
Come here. Come here, darling.
No, this is my trick.
Oh, shit.
This is an awesome trick.
Oh, honey. My arms are getting exploded. It's not...
That's quite a good trick, isn't it? You could have slipped over it or something, just icing on the cake.
Oh, well, I'm sorry to leave